Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I already did my eyebrows and now I'm going to prime my eyes with my Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with the ABA setting powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm using the Morphe Jaclyn Bling Boss eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to take that shade and put that in my crease as well as on my lids. Also, I'm really trying to grow up my channel, so if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and my videos as well, because it helps my channel as well and it helps it with the algorithm for it to be seen. So yes, please make sure you do that. Now I'm going back into the eyeshadow palette and I'm just going to take that shade and put that on the inner part of my lids. Next, I'm using the Covergirl Get In Line Liquid Liner in Black Vinyl. For lashes, I'm using the Ioni Wispy Full Dramatic Lashes and the House of Lashes Eyelash Glue. To make sure there's no gap showing where I put my lashes, I'm going to use the Sephora eye pencil, and I'm also going to use the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara. Now I'm just taking that shade I put on my lids and putting it underneath my eyes, just right along my lash line. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Now I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. For my primer, I'm going to use the NARS Pore and Shine Control Primer. Next, I'm using the e.l.f. Orange Camo Color Corrector, and this is a new corrector for me. I usually use the LA Girl Pro Concealer one, and I like this one a little bit better because it provides a little more coverage than that one. And so this is definitely a new favorite. So if you're looking for a new color corrector, I would definitely try this one, and it comes in other shades as well. And it's affordable. Before I put on my foundation, I'm going to use the Be Pure Blurring Press Powder in Medium Deep, and this is just to keep my face from getting oily and keep it matte. For foundation, I'm going to use the Uma by Sharon C Skin Perfecting Foundation in Bronze Venus T5. For some more coverage, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut. I'm just going to put this the same places where I put the orange corrector at. To highlight, I'm using the Ultra Beauty Full Coverage Concealer in Medium Warm, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark, and I'm going to use it to contour my nose and bronze my face. Now I'm using the Huda Beauty Setting Powder and Cinnamon Bun. I'm just using that to set where I had that concealer at, and also to do reverse contouring. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation, the shade 440. Next, I'm using the Juvia's Place Saharian Blush Volume 1 palette. I'm just going to take that orange shade for my blush, and I'm going to use the other shade for my highlight. For lips, I'm using the Juvia's Place Lip Liner and Brownie, and I'm using the DLS Lip Gloss. I'm not sure what shade it's in, y'all, but if I find out what shade it's in, I will put it in the description box. I guess it must have rubbed off, but yeah, I'll put it in the description box if I find out what it is. Now I'm going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to set my face. And that is it for this tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this baddie makeup look that I did. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos because it helps my channel as well. Helps with the algorithm and helps my video to be shown. Everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as all my social media handles. And please comment and share. I really appreciate it and I would love to hear from you all. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. And I appreciate each and every one of you watching. Thank you so much. And I'll see you all in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.